Dear children, please keep mute your mics. Continue. If I will say your name, that time you will be speak.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir. Good morning, friends. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. Good morning. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Namaste, Nilak sir. Good morning, Nishan sir. Namaste, Nishan sir.
Just wait. We are.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, बेटा.
Nishan
Good
sir.
morning. आपका माइक म्यूट होना चाहिए बेटा.
Good morning,
आपका माइक म्यूट होना चाहिए. एक बार विशेष दे करके आप अपने माइक को म्यूट कर लीजिए. पीट हो रही है मेरे सामने. हाँ, गुड.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. पोशित, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to everyone. Now time is 9:45.
Good morning.
Good morning again. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now please tell me what a time. Tell me what a time.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shavita.
Good morning, sir.
Anyone can tell me what's the time now?
I am Yogi. Vikas.
What's the time now, children?
9:45.
Very good. 9:45, 9:46. And as you know, our class timing for today
Good
is
morning, sir.
9:45. Now everyone mute your mic.
ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದಾರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
Good morning, sir.
ಟೈಪ್
Good
ಅಂತ
morning,
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ
beta.
ಇಲ್ವಾ
I am Dhruvaji.
Okay, today in this class, we will do only, uh, we will exchange only wishes. Are you ready? Only wishes we will give to each and everyone. We will not do anything here. Only we will give wishes here. Why I am telling like this, beta? Because you are giving wishes again and again and again. If you gave wish once, then you can keep your mic mute mode and continue. I will present. We will talk. So you need to mute your mic in the meeting. Vikas HL, beta, I'm getting your mic is unmute mode, so I am muted. And now everyone is on mute mode. Now I want to tell you two things every day, like in the home, in our daily life, we are starting our life with our pray to our God, maybe any God, Allah, Bhagwan, Ishwar, or Jesus, to anyone. We are making prayer. So same in school, when you will come here, जब आप यहाँ आओगे तब भी हम प्रेयर से ही अपने दिन की शुरुआत करेंगे. हम अपने गॉड को हमें अच्छी एजुकेशन देने के लिए कहेंगे एक सॉन्ग के थ्रू. सेकंड, आज क्या करेंगे वो हम बाद में बताएंगे. तो बच्चों, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले स्क्रीन, and with that I want to tell you, you need to prepare for prayer position. Now it is in front of you. I will play it. Before that, everyone will sit properly. Good morning. Sit properly. Join your hands properly in front of chest. Not like this. Okay, all in the relaxed position. Join your hands. You may close your eyes. You are in sitting position, so you can close your eyes. And now I am going to play our Vidyalaya prayer.
सेवक जन बना देना, वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना, वतन पर जा फिदा करना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति।
Very good, children. Now you can down your hands. Very good. Now we are going to start our today's class. In this today class, I will talk to you about your experiences about the past. Saravjit, better mute your mic. First lesson, I will give chance to you. Don't worry about that. By name, I will call you and you may share your experiences about your life. Okay. रशिल रशिल बेटा अनम्यूट करो. देखो, आप जब छोटे से पैदा हुए थे, क्या आपने पैदा होते बोलना शुरू किया था?
नो, मैं नहीं है.
सरवजीत बेटा, आप आंसर करो. जब आप पैदा हुए थे, क्या आपने पैदा होते ही बोलना स्टार्ट किया था?
नहीं.
वेरी गुड. तो हम जब पैदा होते ही सिर्फ हम रोते हैं, बोलते नहीं हैं, हमारे पास वर्ड्स नहीं होते. we were that time without words. We could only cry. सिर्फ हम रो सकते थे. अभी मैं आपको एक वीडियो शो करने जा रहा हूं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट एन वीडियो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दिस. ओके, नाउ it is in front of you. Can I play it? Are you ready to watch? Yes. Very good. Very good, Joel. With the symbolic language, we can understand without speaking. Very good.
Section 5, keep it the limit.
Now, now I'm asking to you children. First, before the video, Joel Soren shows me thumbs up. It means yes, sir. He shows through the symbol. Same in this video. What you observed, now I'm asking to Manvik. Manvik, what was in this video special for you? What you got, Manvik? Answer, beta.
Silent.
Silent. No words. Without words, they played that scene, and we got many things from that video without single word. We got he's playing with the peoples. He is playing with the machines, and he is making many mistakes. So that's why everything is going to uh, changed, or everything is going to waste. Now, without word, we got. Second, now I'm going to present another video, a poem, story, or this type, any other. Look here, now I'm ready to present. It is in front of you, children. Now you can listen. Just listen and understand.
एक मोटा हाथी घूमने गया, मकड़ी की जाल में जाके वो फंसा। जाल को देखा, देख के डरा, दूसरे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ, इधर आ, इधर आ। हाँ, दो मोटे हाथी घूमने गए, गहरी नदी में जाके वो फंसे। पानी को देखा, देख के डरे, तीसरे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ, इधर आ, इधर आ। हाँ, तीन मोटे हाथी घूमने गए, शिकारी के पिंजरे में जाके वो फंसे। शिकारी को देखा, देख के डरे, चौथे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ, इधर आ, इधर आ। हाँ, चार मोटे हाथी घूमने चले, कीचड़ में जाके सब वो गिरे। खुद को देखा, देख के डरे, पांचवें हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ, इधर आ, इधर आ। हाँ, पांच मोटे हाथी अपने घर चले, मकड़ी की जाल में जाके वो फंसे। मकड़ी ने देखा, देख के हंसी, अपना जाला उसने हटाया। सारे हाथी मिलके कूदने लगे, सारे हाथी मिलके नाचने लगे, सारे हाथी मिलके खेलने लगे।
सो देखा बच्चों, आपने वर्डिंग सुनी इस वीडियो में। क्या सुने? वर्ड्स सुने। कौन सी लैंग्वेज में थे? विकास, विकास कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बोला इन्होंने? हिंदी, वेरी गुड आदिश, हिंदी में। और आपको समझ आया, समझ आई?
To elephants, sir. Hindi.
यस, हाथी थे। हमें चीजें, हमें थिंग्स तो समझ में आई ना, पहचान में आई। वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई थिंग्स इन द वीडियो, so it means we are getting something. Something is going to our mind. We can tell later in our mother tongue or in any other language. So same thing, through the words of different languages we can understand what they want to tell us. Second thing, if it is in available in video, so we will get in good manners, we will get more things which we got from the just audio with the words, but with the video we are getting something more. But I want to ask one thing, but if anyone can't see or hear, not see, if anyone can't hear or speak, so how he or she will get these type of things? So he she can only watch, वो देख सकता है बस। अब देखने वाले को भी समझ आना चाहिए, तो उसके लिए भी एक चीज होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए? राइटिंग फॉर्मेट में होना चाहिए। लाइक एज यू आर राइटिंग अल्फाबेट्स, वर्ड्स, यू आर सीइंग मेनी वर्ड्स, लेबल्स, sentences in your life in many places, and you are getting what it is. So now I am ready to play another video in front of you to show story in the writing format. So are you ready? It is just 2 minutes. So
Sir. Yes.
now it is in front of you.
चींटी और कबूतर। एक समय की बात है, पेड़ पर से एक चींटी तालाब में गिर गई। एक कबूतर ने उसे अपना जीवन बचाने के लिए जी तोड़ कोशिश करते हुए देखा। उसने एक पत्ते को तोड़ा और चींटी के पास फेंक दिया। चींटी झट से पत्ते पर चढ़ गई और बड़ी कृतज्ञता भरी नजरों से उसने कबूतर का धन्यवाद किया। वह बहुत थक गई थी। कुछ सप्ताहों बाद की बात है, एक बहेलिया जंगल में आया। बहेलियों का तो काम ही होता है पक्षियों को पकड़ना। उसने कुछ दाने जमीन पर फेंके और उस पर अपना जाल बिछा दिया। वह चुपचाप किसी पक्षी के जाल में फंसने का इंतजार कर रहा था। वे चींटी जो वहीं कहीं से गुजर रही थी, उसने जब वह सारी तैयारी देखी तो क्या देखती है कि वही कबूतर जिसने उसकी जान बचाई थी, उड़कर उसी जाल में फंसने के लिए धीरे धीरे नीचे उतर रहा था। चींटी ने एकदम आगे बढ़ बहेलिये के पैर पर इतनी बुरी तरह काट दिया कि बहेलिये के मुंह से चीख निकल गई।
ओ, तेरी ऐसी की तैसी, हाय ओ परमात्मा।
कबूतर ने एकदम देखा कि शोर किधर से आ रहा है और बहेलिये को देखते ही सब कुछ उसकी समझ में आ गया। वह दूसरी दिशा में उड़ गया और उसकी जान बच गई। चींटी भी अपने काम पर चल दी। तभी तो कहते हैं, कर भला सो हो भला।
देखा बच्चों आपने, इस वीडियो में स्टोरी थी चींटी और कबूतर की, pigeon and ant की, but they shows us with the writing format also, with the wordings. So if anyone is not able to listen, if he is not able to speak, so he or she can read. Through the video sound we are getting words in our ears, but if we are not able to listen, so by eyes we can read and understand. and every video we watch today, seen today, these are in Hindi. So same these type of videos, stories, poem, or writings, these if it is these are available in Hindi, maybe in the textbook, these comes in our Hindi subject. In which subject, children?
सर हिंदी
Hindi. जो भी हम
सर
जो
हिंदी
भी कहानियाँ, good, good, very good. Now you can mute your mic. Now listen. Stories can be, you can speak in Hindi, English, Kannada. Same story you can translate in any language. But if it is you are using your language Hindi, so it is a Hindi story. So you will read. If you are getting it in Hindi textbook, so you are reading in Hindi. So this type of videos, this type of stories, if you are getting in Hindi language, so it comes to your Hindi subject. तो हिंदी कोई भी पूछे आपसे हिंदी में क्या पढ़ते हो, तो आप क्या बताएंगे? ध्यान से सुनो बच्चों, आप क्या बताएंगे? यू विल से, मैं हिंदी में, हिंदी भाषा में कहानियां, कविताएं, पोयम्स, फर्स्ट कहानियां मीन्स स्टोरीज, पोयम्स मीन्स कविताएं, और दूसरी पाठ, लेसन्स, ये सारी चीजें जो भी मैं हिंदी में सीख रहा हूं, मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूं। देखो अभी मैं आपसे से ज्यादा हिंदी बोल रहा हूं, नाउ आई एम स्पीकिंग हिंदी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। सो ये जो हिंदी में बातें हो रही हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर इन हिंदी, सो सब हिंदी सब्जेक्ट में आते हैं। आपकी हिंदी टेक्स्ट बुक का नाम क्या है? Can anyone tell me what's the full name of Hindi textbook? Rim Jim. Just wait. Now, Rim Jim.
ढोले जाओ, ढोले जाओ।
Is it your Hindi textbook front page?
Yes, sir. Yes,
तो देखो बच्चों, देखो ध्यान से देखो, इस टेक्स्ट बुक का नाम रिमझिम है। वेरी गुड, आप साथ में रखते हैं, बहुत अच्छे। अब इसके पीछे देखो कितना नंबर लिखा हुआ है? 1। एक, वेरी गुड। तो एक मतलब पहला नंबर, फर्स्ट नंबर, और ये शो करता है क्लास को। तो ये आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक है, क्लास 1 के लिए है, और साथ में उन्होंने लिख के भी दिया है, जिसको समझ में ना आए उसके लिए रीडिंग के लिए दिया है। देखो, पहली कक्षा के लिए हिंदी की पाठ्य पुस्तक, पाठों वाली पुस्तक, पढ़ने वाली किताब। तो किसके लिए? पहली कक्षा के लिए। बच्चों आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली। नाउ आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, यू will be study 1 to 5th, same textbook, names will be same. Rimjim for 1st to 5th, Hindi names, Hindi textbook name will be Rimjim only. Math textbook name, Math Magic will be 1 to 5th, same name, but same like 1, it will change 2. Later it will change 3. So your textbook name will be Rimjim 1, Rimjim 2, Rimjim 3, Rimjim 4, Rimjim 5. Or these numbers will tell us in which standard you are studying if you have your textbook. You are having your textbook, so we can understand easily in which standard you are studying. So remind it for 1 to 5. Your class textbook, Hindi textbook, maths textbook, English textbook names will be remain same. Next, I am going to present another video.
वीडियो बता देंगे तो देखिए रूट ऑफ कर रहा है
Just wait, beta. It is ready to play.
रूट करना
Mom and Papa leave home, all the kids get glad. Know our house gonna jump like mad. We're gonna jump, little children, jump, jump. Jump, little children, jump, jump. We're gonna jump, little children. Mom and Papa's gone. Let's jump, 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 jump. Let's jump, 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 jump. Let's jump, 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 jump. Let's jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, let's jump, little children, Mom and Papa's gone. Now kids, not a soul here but us. Slow mind power when they call that bus. We're gonna jump, little children, jump, jump. Jump, little children, jump, jump. We're gonna jump, little children, Mom and Papa's gone.
Okay. Now, Pratiksha beta, tell me what you got in that video. आपको क्या मिला इस वीडियो में? क्या देखा? क्या स्पेशल था? Numbers. Can just wait. Milana beta. Is there number only 1 to 10? Number 1 to 10 थे क्या तेरे? Yes, no. वो different use हो रहे थे, है ना? Different way में use हो रहे थे. कैसे कैसे? Yes और no बोलना. अलार्म शो हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes. अलार्म में नंबर थे 1 to 12. It was showing us timing.
Number 1 to 12. 1 to 12, sir.
Very good. Next. Clock. Look here. Now I am showing clock. Just wait. I am presenting again. Next, numbers in timing our watch.
540. Sir, 545.
Very good. 5:45. These are also okay, now please mute your mic. 5 hours 45 minutes.
545 time.
So we can say directly 5:45. First we will say hours, later minutes. First what we will say? Hours. Later minutes. So 45 here minutes and 5 hours. Next, it was calendar. Which month they are showing us?
November.
November. Very good observation.
November.
Okay. Okay. Just wait. I am calling by name.
Sir, my birthday is November 5th, sir.
Charvita, 5th November. Okay, beta. Remind me, we will celebrate in our class. Very good. Now, I am asking to Purvi. Purvi, beta, unmute your mic. Yes. Tell me, what's the full form of M, T, W, T, H, F, S, S? You are getting in middle, na? So please tell me these full form. What these are? Okay, I am telling these are days.
Sir, Monday, Tuesday.
Very good. Monday, Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday.
So now let's repeat with me.
Monday, Tuesday.
Okay, only these
Days
are
of week.
not 2 days. Dear children,
Days of week.
please mute your mic. Just please mute your mic. Listen, these are not only 2 days. We have all 7 days names. If we
7 days of the
T for Tuesday, W, Wednesday, next Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
for Sunday, M for Monday, T for Tuesday, W for Wednesday, T for Thursday,
But
F
you
for
said
Friday, S for Saturday.
Beta, just wait. You said T for Tuesday. Again, you are telling sir T for Thursday. So we need to say TH here because in front of us they gave TH. We are telling about these alphabets. Yes. F for Friday, S for Saturday, next S for Sunday. So we need to add another name or another word next S. Very good. Next we are going to check our next number. This. What it is telling us? What
9, sir.
the information it is giving?
9.
Children, yes, on that night, very good. Now, mute your mic, mute your mic. What it is, beta?
Computer number, sir. And phone keys. Sir,
Phone
keyboard.
फोन की
Keyboard, sir.
हमारा जो मोबाइल होता है कीपैड मोबाइल in same we are getting in our keypad mobile. We need to press buttons, not just click. We need to press. Next, I am showing you.
Sir, keyboard mobile. Keyboard and
I am showing keyboard mobile. Very good. Next number 313. Three, one, three. Okay, mute your mic. Mute your mic. Charvita, Mute your mic. I'm not getting your voice. So now listen. These are labels on the pots. Just they gave the numbers, not in any sequence 1, 2, 3 or 3, 3, 1. No, it is just in irrelevance 3, 1, 3. Next, they are giving us one thing. It is a direction board. It is showing if we are going Medellin 23 something is there and 1 kilometer or 1 meter 1 mile something is there, and another board also you are getting, and on this board they are using numbers. Very good, you answer, sir. Numbers, these are labels of house numbers. Very good. Next we have, these are uh, timings. So any train, it's maybe train timing. It's yes, it is a train timing only. Upside we can get train departure.
7 kilometers in using time.
In the when we are visiting the station, airports, we will get same things there. And on information boards, we can get many timings in the number format.
Sir, bus stand and railway station.
Yes, bus stand also, railway station also, any stand time chart. If we are getting, we will get the number. In the calculator also, we are getting numbers. Recipe, if we are going to prepare something, so we need to use numbers like a 3 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 4 tablespoons, 16 tablespoons, 2 cup, 4 cup. Yes, you are using these type of things in your daily life. Children, we are using this type of things in our daily life. So, yes, Pranamya, same I'm telling. These numbers we are using in our daily life. So, numbers playing in different way. They are playing their role in different way. If we are writing counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are just numbers. But if we are using these 1 to 12 in the alarm, in the clock, these are showing time. If we are using to show distance, they are now converted into kilometers. 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 5 kilometer. If we are using in time chart, they are showing time 7 o'clock, 7:45, 5:45. Okay. If we are going to purchase something, okay, 1 liter अर्ध liter halukodi 24 rupees. Now 24 number changed into rupees. So we are using numbers in different manners in our daily lifestyle. So when we will read about these in our school, in our education, so we know one special subject is there who is giving us this type of magic. That's name is math magic. Maths, mathematics, or our textbook name is Maths Magic. What's our textbook name? Maths Magic.
Mathematics. Mathematics. Mathematics.
Now I am presenting another screen. Can you observe this one? Just wait, children. Now it is in front of you. You can check here. Its name is Math Magic and it is for class 1. One number is representing here your class. Yes, very good. Now it is showing your class. And down you can read also. Look here downside. Textbook in mathematics for class 1. So it is your book in front of you. You can identify by its color, by its name. Okay, so today we observe two things. One, our Hindi textbook, and second, our maths textbook. And what we will learn in the mathematics, in Hindi, these we will learn today. And I hope children, you will enjoy later in mathematics in Hindi. So now I am ready to present another video in front of you and later our class will be finished. Now it is in front of you. Just wait. I need to stop it and play another video. And later I will ask you. Maybe you enjoyed today. We will see here 4-5 videos related to our Hindi, math, and without language. Charlie Chaplin also, and one here. Who is he?
Mr. Bean.
Very good, Mr. Bean. Yes, he made videos downtown. Very good. Okay, now it's time to take step 3 and we will leave the class because from last 45 minutes we are here and it will put effect on your eyes because you are watching continue screen. So later just take some cold water and sprinkle on your eyes so it will refresh your eyes. Okay, so no harmful effect will be on your eyesight. Okay, very good, children. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Later, I will
Have a nice day, sir.
Children, सुनो कुछ friends.
Bye, sir. Bye.
माफ कर पत्तावरनी सर्रीच गए. गए वहां सर.
Okay, children, you may leave the class now. If you not had breakfast, have breakfast first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.